Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jess. I'm the owner of Social Quest Media, and I give you tips on YouTube, Instagram, anything social media marketing, entrepreneurship, and lifestyle as well. So welcome, and I'm super excited about this tutorial. So if you see below, you will see my Instagram handle and how it is animated. I'm gonna teach you how you can do this using your MacBook, so using iMovie, Canva, and Keynote. It's a lot simpler than you may think, so let's go ahead and dive into the tutorial. Okay guys, we are in Canva now, and what I did was typed in Instagram post, because this is the template I like to use. Pretty basic, so I click create blank Instagram post, and we will be in here. Okay, so now what you wanna do, since you have this square, you're gonna wanna go to Elements, and then click the shape. So you wanna click the square here, and you can resize it. I like it to be about this, and I move it down to the bottom corner here. Make it a little long. Now, it can be whatever color you want. I'm most likely gonna change that, but it's nice to have a color there so you can see what you're doing. And then you wanna go to Elements again, type in Instagram, and use one of these stickers here. So I'm gonna use the standard one here, make it smaller, get smaller and bring it down here. Okay, now I'm gonna click text, add a heading, and type my Instagram handle. I'm gonna bring it down over here, make it bigger, maybe change the text, make it bold, change the color here to white. Okay, so now that I have this made, what I'm gonna do now is click download and click transparent background. Okay, so now I have just opened up Keynote, and what we're gonna do is make the transition. So the first thing you wanna do is go over here to document, go down to slide size, custom slide size, and make it 1280 and 720, which are the dimensions for your YouTube video. Okay, so the next thing that you wanna do is go over to format and change the background to a green, kind of like a green screen. Next, we're gonna go to media and choose and upload that Instagram handle. And we're gonna move it down here into the corner. Now here comes the fun part. This is where we're going to animate. So you're gonna click on the handle here and then click animate in this top right corner. Click build in effect. So the effect we're gonna click is move in. It's a little fast, so what I'm gonna do is increase the duration and unclick the bounce, because I don't want there to be a bounce there. I'm gonna increase it to about 5 seconds. And then you can click preview. Okay, I like how that looks. So now what I'm gonna do is click action and build another effect on top of that. So click add an effect, and I'm going to add a pop. So that pop is a little too big for me, so I'm going to bring down the scale, and I have the duration at 40 seconds. Next, you wanna do a build out effect so that it slides back. So we're going to do move out, and I want it to go from right to left. And we're gonna increase that to 5 seconds and unclick bounce. Now what you wanna do is click the build order, and on the second one, you want it to go after build, and the same with this one, go after build 2, and we can preview that. So I want there to be a delay when this comes out. So for pop, I put the delay for 2 seconds, and for the Instagram handle move out for 3 seconds. So it stays on the screen for a little bit longer. Okay, so now that I have done my animation, I'm ready to save it and export it. So you're gonna go to File, export to, click movie, click next, and save your video. Okay, so I have uploaded our animation, and what we're going to do is click it and drag it over the media we want it to appear on. You'll see here that it is green, so what you're going to do is go over here and click the 2 squares, and then on the drop down menu click green, blue, screen, and that's going to make your video appear. So then you just want to resize this a bit until it shows up. So there we go. And then at the ending here as well. Okay, so you can move this around anywhere you'd like, and this is how it's going to appear.
Social media marketing, entrepreneurship, and lifestyle as well. So welcome, and I'm super excited about this tutorial. So if you see below, you will see my Instagram handle.
Okay, so if you'd like, you can also find the pop here and add a little cork bottle sound or anything like that, and so it'll sound like this.
I'm excited about this tutorial. So if you
there
see
you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial on how you can create your Instagram handle using Canva, iMovie, and Keynote on your MacBook. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and stick around. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you are notified anytime I post a video. And if you're interested in learning more about YouTube or YouTube editing, definitely reach out to me on Instagram at Social Quest Media. I give tons of tips there, and you can work with me both through YouTube editing and YouTube strategy sessions. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, I will see you guys next time. Bye!